Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to talk about Section 12 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. So, Section 12 basically talks about the application to magistrate. Who can file an application for relief under Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act to magistrate? So, the woman herself directly to the court, the protection officer on the behalf of the woman if she consents, any person on behalf of a woman if she consents. So, magistrate may, on being satisfied that the domestic violence has taken place, can pass a residence order. So, there are some residence order under which court may directs the restraining the respondent from dispossessing or in any other manner disturbing the possession of the aggrieved person from the share household, whether or not the respondent has a legal or equitable interest in the share household, directing the respondent to remove himself from the shared household, restraining the respondent or any of his relatives from entering any portion of the share household in which the aggrieved person resides, restraining the respondent from dispossession of the share household or limiting the same, restraining the respondent from renouncing his rights in the share household, except with the leave of the magistrate, directing the respondent to secure same level of alternate accommodation for the aggrieved person as enjoyed by her in the share household, or to pay rent for the same if the circumstances so requires. So provided that no order under clause B shall be passed against any person who is a woman. So monetary relief, a magistrate may direct the respondent to pay monetary relief to meet the expenses incurred and losses suffered by the aggrieved person and any child of the aggrieved person as a result of domestic violence. So such relief may include, but not limited to, the loss of earning, the medical expenses, the loss caused due to destruction, damage, or removal of any property from control of aggrieved person, the maintenance for the aggrieved person as well as children of any, including an order under or in addition to an order of maintenance under section 125 of CRPC, or any other law for the time being in force. So monetary relief shall be adequate, fair and reasonable and consistent with the standard of living. Custody orders, magistrate may at any state or a stage of hearing of the application for protection order or for any other relief under this act grant temporary custody of any child or children to the aggrieved person or the person making an application on her behalf, specify if necessary the arrangement for visit of such child or children by the respondent. Provided that if magistrate is of the opinion that any visit of the respondent may be harmful to the interest of the child or children, the magistrate shall refuse to allow such visit. Compensation orders, the magistrate may, on an application being made by the aggrieved person, pass an order directing the respondent to pay compensation and damages for the injuries incurred, including mental torture and emotional distress causing by the acts of domestic violence committed by the respondent. So an application asking for relief can be filed in existing legal proceeding as well, such as divorce cases, maintenance cases. After filing the application for relief before the court shall then fix the next date of hearing in the case for 3 days after the application has been filed. In cases the woman is facing a grave danger, the court may pass an ex parte interim order in her favor and then fix the next date of hearing. if a case of domestic violence provided, the court can pass an order providing the woman with the 13 um, relief if she had asked for in the application. So here is the application to magistrate. This is the process. This is how application of magistrate is done, and the entire court proceeding should be completed within the 60 days of filing the application. Thank you.